Hello guys, how are we all doing today? Yes guys, I'm here again to share very vital news to you all. It is very important that you hear this. Before I start, please, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe, comment, share my video, give the video a thumbs up so that we know that is a human being that watches my video. It is very important that you comment, tell me what you think about the video. Let's communicate. Thank you guys. Yes guys, today being 12th of September 2023, Biafran Prime Minister Mr. Mazi Ekpa is in US. He toured all around Europe before. Now he's in US with Biafrans in US, having a meeting discussing about a way forward. But there's one thing that is very important that we need to highlight from that meeting. The meeting is ongoing as I record this video, but it's very important that once this news comes up in meeting, I decided to share it with you all. It is very important. The Biafran, told Mr. Mazi Ekpa that he is willing to do unimaginable things. That's what I always say. When people are slacking back about the freedom of Biafrans, there's some other people from Biafran that are willing to do anything, things that you cannot imagine. Let me not say much. Let's hear from him.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my Prime Minister. Take your name. Sorry, I'm just coming. I'm still on my way. I went somewhere. I'm just coming back. So, my Prime Minister, I have something to tell you. Because of this our Biafran project, because of the carrying dog, so I'm ready to give my hotel away. Just to sell it and put the whole money in the Biafra project in Lagos. Wow. So, I just decided this thing, and I have to talk to an agent, and then let me know so that we can sell it and put it in our project, because freedom is something that is, freedom. Money, when you have money, when you have everything without freedom, it's nonsense. I'm tired of living in another man's world, and I want to go home. I'm here, my children are praying, my children are becoming adults in another man's land, which is not my wish. I want to go home, and I'm ready to do anything, no matter anything that I can do, to make sure that God will never allow me to be in this country next year. I want to go home. So I'm ready to do anything, anything possibility, to make sure that Biafra there, I'm ready to do it. So I want to market my hotel in Lagos, and anything I go from it, everything, I will put it in Biafra project. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You can contact me after this program, okay?
Okay, but I'm still on the way. I'm driving. I'm going home.
Yeah. You can contact me or contact any of the media team. Then they will get your information.
All right.
Or give me my information.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I don't know where.
Wow. You can hear it, guys. You can hear it from the horse's mouth. This is a Biafran. This is a Biafran like me and you. Some of us are not willing to understand the importance of freedom and what freedom is going to give to you and your unborn children. Most of us are living comfortable today, believing that everything is going well with us, but you're not sure of what may happen to your own children when you leave them behind. Because every living thing must die. So as we are talking about the living, we need to also look into the death, because we don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Our prayer is that we all may live long, that we shall live long and see our children. But what will happen in next 100 years, 200 years, but depending on how long God gives you to live on the earth. What I'm trying to say is that some of us are now begin to see the need, begin to see the need, to do the needful. Because you cannot tell me that you are living comfortable, maybe in another man's land abroad, you are living very, very comfortable, that all your generation will still live the same as you are living now. It's not a guarantee, guys. This our Biafran brother have seen it all, so he decided to do the needful. Imagine a man who built a hotel in Lagos, willing to give it out to support the cost of Biafra. It is very, very important and very, very emotional to me. I appreciate him. It is not easy at all. That's what I want to share with us, guys. Thank you. Tell me what you think about the video. Is he doing the right thing? What is your opinion about it? Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new. If you are returning subscribers, I appreciate you so much. Please share the video, comment it, and like. Thank you.